Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to this guided meditation that will help you feel worthy and abundant and feel open to receiving all good things. I'm Carolyn, spiritual life coach, and this channel is all about helping empaths and sensitives still your mind and awaken your soul while using the healing energy of horses as our guide. Before we begin, let your eyes gaze over the images of the horses who will be coming along with you throughout this meditation. Feel the peace and tranquility they embody as they stand there, totally still, totally calm, eyes closed, receiving everything they need without doing a thing. Let this wisdom invite its energy to be with you now. And now, get yourself comfortable, either sitting or lying down, and whenever you're ready, gently allow your eyes to close. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it go, arriving in this moment, in this space, in your body, bringing all of your attention and awareness back to you now. And take another deep breath in and exhale as you sink further into the surface beneath you. Take your time to settle in here. Continue breathing and allowing your breath to guide you deeper and deeper into a place of strength, of ease, and relaxation. Feel your body firmly rooted like a tree. Inhale, and on each exhale, sending out another root that extends into the earth. Feel the stability of your roots. And with this support and this steadiness, there is nothing else to do but receive, just like a tree receives the sunlight and the moisture from the rain and the nutrients from the earth and the playful invitation to dance with the wind. And just like a tree, let yourself receive the oxygen, the life force, through your breath. With the tree on one side and the mighty horse on the other, both in stillness yet fully alive, receiving all these good things together, because like all of nature, feel yourself made of the same stuff as the tree, as the horse, as all of nature, being already worthy of receiving. The tree, the horse, doesn't question its worthiness. nor should you, dear one. Now bring your awareness to your heart center and let this energy of receiving open up that space. Feel the warm, glowing light in your heart center, opening up wider and wider with each exhale. The more you allow yourself to be open to just receiving, the more light and love can enter your heart. Let this wide open space that continues to expand and grow with each and every breath be like a magnet that draws in all good things, letting them gently flow and pour into you. No need to identify what those things are. No thought is required. Just let the energy of receiving do the work for you. Let the energy of spaciousness and boundless light continue to open you more and more. There is no limit. Let yourself receive and bask in the beauty of this loving, positive energy. And as you receive, may you give your gratitude and silently say, "Thank you." Take a few final loving breaths here. And then whenever you are ready, come back to the room and gently open your eyes. I hope this meditation helped you open yourself up to accepting light and positive energy into your heart. Please let me know in the comments if it was supportive for you, as it really does mean so much to me to hear from you. And if you'd like to go deeper with getting out of your head and back into your heart, then I invite you to take advantage of my free 3-day mini course, Master Your Energy. You can click on the link in the description. And as always, if you received any benefit from this meditation, please show it some love by clicking like and subscribe, as this really helps me create more of them for you, dear one. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.